In prime time news tonight, a TVJ exclusive. Public health crisis, rodents prancing about on a major hospital ward. Ground broken for a new fire station in Montego Bay, but local authorities say they need more. And Prime Minister Andrew Holness appeals to mourners.
You would want to remember in life.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Herman Green has our preview. Herman?
Thanks, Janella. Well, it's been over 2 weeks since a technical glitch at NCB affected thousands of customers. Well, some customers are still being affected. We have an update from NCB later in the business day.
And from Herman to Jermaine Brown with update of what's coming up in sports.
Well, thank you, Archie. The West Indies, they huffed, they puffed, they huffed again, and then, well, they lost to Australia. I tell you what, the Women's World Cup, it's the eve of the Women's World Cup in France, so those and lots more to come.
That's not how that
You
phrase
mean they
goes.
were blown away. Anyway, there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This we're asking, do you believe the government should reimpose user fees in the health sector to raise funds to improve conditions at hospitals?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.